Hi, I'm Bharat Chandra from iTouch store, Bangalore. Today I would like to give you a brief description about the services and the products sold at our store. We are located in Rajajinagar, Bangalore, and we have been in business for the past 5 years. To give you a brief idea about us, we deal with Apple repairs, Apple's accessories, and also refurbished products. Today, I would be talking a bit more about refurbished products and how they will help you try out and test out Apple products in case you're coming in from Android, or in case you feel you would like to find something that's a cheaper alternative. As you all know, refurbished industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry in India, and there is a demand for refurbished products in terms of laptops and in terms of phones. We are predominantly focused on Apple products, basically iPhones and MacBooks. Of course, with that, we also provide you accessories, any kind of accessories that you would require for each of these devices. We would be able to provide this for you. We do have a doorstep service. In case you would like to get your phones repaired, you can contact us. A doorstep service. In case you would like to sell your phone, you can contact us. You'll get a doorstep service. At the same time, for a refurbished phone, though, we would request you to come in and walk into our store so that you can see all the different devices available. We always have a healthy inventory, different versions of phones, and different requirements. In case we do not have a requirement that you want, then we will surely be able to provide you one in a short period of time. Our phones and our devices, they go through a rigorous 22-point check system before they're even given out to our customers. We ensure quality is our utmost priority. We are customer focused. Customer is the king, and we would like to keep continuing with that. And we do give a 3-month service warranty on all our devices, so you enjoy that luxury, knowing that if something goes wrong, you can always get back to us, and we will ensure that it's rectified. Try out a refurbished product today. Log into www.itouchstore.in or 6361750770. Thank you.